Welcome to JH. Have you heard of the Grifin app? It is a tool that automatically invests in the companies you already shop with, effectively turning your daily caffeine addiction into a diversified stock portfolio. Because nothing says financial freedom quite like buying a luxury latte to own a microscopic fraction of a corporation. But the real question is whether this is a legitimate financial move or just another digital vacuum for your spare change. The reviews on the App Store are actually quite positive, with users loving how Grifin makes the whole process effortless. You simply round up your everyday purchases, and that extra change automatically flows into stocks you already own. It is highly customizable, allowing you to set weekly limits or pin your favorite stocks. They even included a smart balance check to help prevent overdrafts, which is perfect for those of us who treat our bank accounts like a high-score game we are actively trying to lose. Another reassuring sign is that the app is available on both the Play Store and the App Store, meaning it has passed the bare minimum requirements to exist in polite society. They are also active on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. It is always nice to see a company being transparent and engaged, or at least maintaining a profile long enough to prove they aren't just three raccoons in a trench coat running a server. Most importantly, they are upfront about the team behind the curtain. CEO and co-founder Aaron Frog is clearly introduced, and with a name like that, you'd hope he's at least good at jumping on market trends. Transparency like this actually matters because most scam apps hide their leadership in a mysterious void. They even provide a real phone number and physical address, a revolutionary concept that allows you to actually reach a human being if something goes wrong. So is Grifin legit? From everything we can see, the answer is a solid yes. With positive reviews, transparent founders, and actual contact information, it points toward a very reliable platform. If you are looking for a beginner-friendly way to invest while you spend, Grifin looks like a solid option. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates before you spend your entire investment fund on more shoes.